Hey guys, for this video, I'll be teaching you how to book someone else an Uber. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to book a friend or family an Uber. So, let's get started. Let's say you're in the Uber app, and this is the scene or screen that you're currently gonna be seeing. Now, go to Switch Rider, and then tap on Choose Who's Riding. So just type their first and last name, basically sign them an account, and then you can book an Uber for them. And pretty much you just need to put their details so the driver can find them, like their location or appearance. And then after that, you can choose a type of car like Uber X, Uber XL. Uber XL is double the price, almost double the price because it's much bigger than Uber X, but you can choose whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can book someone else an Uber. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.